the one plant, sesame plant. See here, nice and beautiful seeds. So sorry, Tajin. Can you tell about this sesame plant? How you grown? And this is other plant. Okay.
This is an old one. It came out on its own.
Oh, on the seed.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show the seed?
Yes.
Open up and show. Wow. Okay.
Beautiful.
Superb.
And once it is mature completely,
It will be.
yeah. One thing I realized when I grew my own sesame seeds is the white sesame seeds that we get,
Okay.
that is not fully matured.
Oh.
So its nutritive value will be very less.
Mm.
This is what I realized. See, this is white now. This is white.
Mm.
Hmm? The more it grows, the darker it becomes.
Okay.
Yes, because I have sown black seeds and now they are white.
And
That means the raw ones are white, the medium grown ones are brown, and when they are fully mature, that is when they are black.
Okay.
That is why black seeds are more expensive, and
Whites is less expensive. Okay. Got it.
this is what I realized when I started.
This is what the practical experience. People
Yes.
talk about this and that reference. That's what we're not here. We always in a group is very clear. Space and place never be a constraint. And the second thing, share your practical experience input only. So when you have a practical experience on this thing, it's easy to share how it goes. Excellent one. Thank you.
This one I just sowed. I took some seeds from my kitchen
Huh.
and just put them in the ground, and they have grown so well.
Superb. See, this is desert sand, guys. Just for information.
Yes, this is a very badly used soil.
The symbol, natural composting. What you are seeing here is a cotton plant, and this is bajra. So this is the same place used to grow other stuff also. Sugarcane.
Vellary, what we call in South India.
South India. Okay. Cucumber.
No, vellary.
Vellary. Okay. It like
Orange one.
orange one. That's one. Yeah. And here, sugarcane. Sugarcane is growing here, and this is lady finger. And
This is tube roses,
okay.
and this is rain lilies, which I have planted just yesterday.
Okay.
Repotted rather.
And here is so flowering plants.
This is again vellary, but the small one.
Okay, and here
This
is
is
growing
from
pollock also,
Rajasthan.
red spinach growing there. Okay. And mint in the box. So thermocol box. Okay.
Again waste from shops.
Super. So all the waste been collected and utilized. Banana. So this is the entrance.
Muskmelon.
Which one is muskmelon?
No, that one is muskmelon.
Oh, muskmelon. Okay.
There's a nest over there.
Okay. Oh.
The birds have flown away.
Oh. So just in a maternity ward actually, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the entrance, and here it goes. So this is the way it does, and here, and it grows a lot of jasmine. Jasmine is one of her favorite.
Jasmine starts growing on its own. Once you have a plant in the soil, you see them coming. Wherever the roots go, you see
Again,
jasmine plant come out.
Great.
I have taken out all of them. That is why you don't have them now.
And this is one thing I just want to say, guys. This is,
Highway.
it's already dead plant almost from the neighbor already thrown out. So he's taken it and given the Nitaji given a new life. Look at here. So here the dead one and how the new leaves are coming up. Again the same thing. So again this jasmine, and here is also is having some plants.
This is hollyhock.
Hollyhock, okay.
This is rain lily.
This is rain lily, okay.
This is Thai basil.
Yeah, this jasmine again.
Jasmine.
Jasmine goes everywhere. And onion, yeah. And table roses, and here one moment. Some of the plants kept near here as well. hummingbird. This is Agati. It's one of the
Agathikarai.
yeah, Agathikira, correct. You pronounce it beautifully. This is lemongrass and some indoor plants.
This is candlestick plant.
Okay.
And there's one desert rose over there.
Oh, you are famous for desert rose.
These are the desert roses grown from seeds.
Wow. Okay. You are famous for desert rose, you know.
Yeah, really?
Because you love that desert rose seed.
Yes, I love. Oh, they were so pretty. One of the prettiest things I've seen on earth.
These are again stands. See how he's utilizing, the curved box, small thing, for growing to give away share. So it's allowed to review any dead plants. Look at here, one of the plants, lemon tree. He's trying to review it actually. So what we're going to do that. This area, surrounding area, we will give the aeration and put some few cinnamon powder here, and then one aloe vera gel on the top of thing, and use the cocoa beet like this way. That's it, and give the aeration, keep in the sun, and with a proper pruning here, like this. So you can see the amazing growth coming up, and then it can be reviewed easily. So how the thing is, that you can see that here, the greenery. This is the way to check that any plant is alive. Even if it is green, definitely you can bring back to the life. So this is it. And this is cactus, and everywhere she keeps plants on the plant. And this is curry leaves. This is jasmine again, and this is chiku plant. Full tree taken out completely from the neighbor. So getting under review. New life is given.
Hoping to.
Inshallah, it will happen.
This is all tulsi growing on its own.
Yes. So
This is
moringa, and this is jade and other plants. And she used to keep some water lilies as well. Now it's not there. And here also the space is being utilized for, again, see everywhere I can see the jasmine, snake plant, and this is another lilies growing.
These are desert. Rain lilies and lilies.
Yeah, this is the plant. In fact, one of a group in earlier they asked a similar one plant.
Yes.
So what's the name of this plant? Okay. This here.
Amaryllis lily. See the way they multiply. See, one bulb has become so many.
True. And see the cuttings. What are these?
I don't think they are going to come out anymore. They are, what do you call it? Mulberry.
Mulberry, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's there.
Mulberry cutting I have grown in my office. It used to come very nicely also. And here,
This is again chiku plant I tried to grow. This has light. If you try this way,
and here as well, these all things, so giveaways. See, snake plant, how they propagation and sharing is caring. And here the dead leaves also. See, look, this is the kind of.
these I use as fire starters in the winter.
Okay.
They start the fire very fast.
Yeah, this one is super amazing. This, look at the size of the pot. You can grow any big tree as well.
This one I've kept for my water plant. So
Okay.
just the weather has improved now. I'm going to.
You make use of it actually.
Yes.
Yes, it's growing in pots as well. So, and of course it has a lot of oxygen coming through. With this is called edible aloe vera. Look at here. This is edible aloe vera. Many people having a doubt. Which one is edible aloe vera? This is here. This is edible one. She has, and of course, here goes the
This is mulberry.
mulberry.
You can see the mulberry there.
Yeah. Yes. Here we go, the mulberry bush. Yes. Yeah. This is the mulberry tree. So this is from here of cuttings you can grow. Yeah, a lot of mulberries. It's the green one, right?
Yes, this is the green one. It doesn't turn red.
similar one I am having. It used to come very nicely. One of the easiest growing fruit tree in UAE. Yeah, it's very hardly need a very tasty. Hardly need any care.
The more you prune it, the more you get fruit.
Yeah, true. Absolutely right. And this is the favorite part of composting. Direct natural composting. Dumping, getting ready in 24 days. Leaf mold, and then this is it. That's it.
My nursery.
And I super impressed with the sea does use the cotton cloth. Look at the cotton. That's what
My mom's old saree.
Oh, your mom's old saree. Okay. So that's the really impressive stuff. And that's it. Thank you, Neetaji, for your time. And in fact, glad to meet today. Happy. Looking forward to your more success and come again. Thank you.